Celebrating more than half a century of technology leadership, Thayer Scale continues its tradition of innovation as the global leader in the design, manufacturing, application, and servicing of extremely rugged, highly reliable, and highly accurate process weighing equipment. Our specific product focus and enviable level of expertise in the field of continuous weighing and feeding of dry particulate materials of all types and classifications has produced a sophisticated line of loss of weight feeders, weigh belt feeders, precision belt conveyor scales, measurement and control instrumentation, volumetric feeders, and hopper flow aids for use in harsh and demanding operating conditions. Thayer Scale is committed to providing complete material handling and weighing solutions with high-quality products that easily adapt to changing process needs, maximizing investment returns. Thayer Scale Sanitary Low Density Model MXL weigh belts play an important role in seasoning loop applications by providing an accurate and repeatable measurement of the amount of chips entering a seasoning tumbler. Accurate and repeatable chip measurement reduces seasoning variability and assures that topical seasoning is applied in the correct proportion to the chips and not wasted as buildup on downstream conveying and packaging equipment. The Thayer Scale Model MXL weigh belt provides this accurate and repeatable measurement through the direct measurement of mass and velocity variables. There are no inferred measurements, eliminating inaccuracies in seasoning application. With conventional direct-coupled weight sensing systems wherein the strain gauge load cell or cells is directly supporting the weigh bridge, the load cells must be sized to support not only the weight of the product, but the weight of the weigh bridge it is supporting. This means that only a portion of the load cell's rated output is available to weigh the product. Further, in order to provide overload protection, strain gauge load cells are typically oversized for the application. Although this meets the objectives of overload protection, it does so by sacrificing measurement accuracy, because even less of the load cell's rated output is available for the weight and measure activities of the application. This combination of a low load cell utilization factor and the inability to distinguish meaningful changes in load from other extraneous forces results in a weighing system that is ill-equipped for providing accuracy and repeatability, particularly in low-density weighing applications, such as Frito Lays. Because a load sensor cannot distinguish between the meaningful force of material weight and other non-weight related forces, Thayer weigh feeders are engineered with a force measurement suspension system. The force measurement suspension system functions as a force vector filter, isolating the load sensor from extraneous and destructive force vectors for highly accurate material weighing. The force measurement suspension system also provides a means to mass counterbalance dead loads. This is an important feature when weighing low-density materials because it allows the entire load cell range to be used to weigh the product. Unlike strain gauge load cells, which produce relatively low signal level outputs even at full scale, Thayer Scale's unique load transducer provides a high-level net weight output that is less susceptible to the effects of electromagnetic and radio frequency interference, as well as poor grounding. However, the Thayer Scale Model MXL is only capable of providing this level of performance when the unit is properly set up and maintained. The challenges of maintaining a sufficient level of training for an ever-changing workforce and the rigors of sanitation make it difficult to maintain the equipment at a sustained peak level of performance. To overcome these challenges, Thayer Scale set out to design an accurate measurement system that provides and maintains a high level of weighing performance with minimal operator setup and adjustment. With Frito Lay in mind, Thayer Scale built on the successful measurement technologies of the Model MXL and developed the Model SI insertion weigher to deal with the destructive torsional overload and reverse loading force vectors encountered during sanitation. The Thayer insertion weigher features a modified, robust weighing system that supports a short, cantilevered sanitary conveyor assembly. This improved rugged load measurement suspension system contains no wearing parts and is not affected by dirt, shock, or vibration, and can tolerate overloads in excess of 1,000 pounds without causing damage or calibration drift. Unlike earlier model MXL weigh belts wherein an under-the-belt load sensing system was used, the entire conveyor assembly is supported by the mass counterbalanced weight sensing suspension system of the insertion weigher. Therefore, insertion weigher load measurements are not affected by the physical characteristics of the belting and its supported means. The insertion weigher design completely eliminates stiffness, friction, splice effects, and most importantly, tension and misalignment interaction. Because the insertion weigher features a positively guided V-groove belt, the operators no longer need to be concerned with belt tracking and/or tension adjustments. The belt can be over-tensioned without concern for accuracy compromise. Thayer Scale engineers designed the insertion weigher with a shorter overall length to meet the objectives of master automation template modular layouts. However, the insertion weigher can be supplied with adjustable in-feed and out-feed chutes, making it a suitable retrofit for longer model MXL weigh belts. Additional design features such as an adjustable conveyor inclination can be used to adapt the insertion weigher to a variety of incoming and outgoing chute configurations. This feature can be used to reduce the free fall height of chips, eliminating chip impact and breakage, another source of lost profit. The insertion weigher's modified speed measurement system is better equipped to survive the rigors of sanitation. This modified system consists of an inductive ring near the tachometer installed between the motor and gear reducer, eliminating the belt travel pulsar and its related coupling adjustment issues. In summary, the Thayer Scale insertion weigher improves operational costs by minimizing downtime with far more robust mass and velocity measurement systems that are easier to maintain and operate. Built upon earlier proven successful Thayer weighing technologies, the insertion weigher maintains a high level of performance with minimal operator adjustment and setup. The Thayer Scale insertion weigher is truly built to survive in Frito Lay process environments. Revolutionary next-generation controls can be mounted either on the equipment or wall-mounted up to 4,000 wire feet from the weigh belt. Thayer Scale remains committed to providing Frito Lay with cost-effective, high-quality weighing solutions that help improve product quality and lower equipment maintenance and operational costs.